Baby's first roll, a motor development milestone. Hello everyone, and welcome to our video on a fascinating and important milestone in a baby's life, rolling over. This video will explore the development of this skill in infants. And rest assured, all the content in this video is presented for educational purposes only. Rolling over isn't just a simple action. It's a huge leap in a baby's motor development. It's their first taste of getting around on their own. This new ability opens up a whole new world for them, letting them see and interact with their surroundings in exciting new ways. The importance of rolling. When a baby learns to roll, they're actually building a strong foundation for all the movements that will come later. Rolling strengthens the muscles they'll need for sitting up, crawling, standing, and eventually walking. It's also a workout for their balance, coordination, and body awareness. It helps develop their vestibular sense, that's their sense of balance, and their proprioceptive sense, which is their awareness of where their body is in space. The timeline of rolling. Now, when do babies typically start to roll? It's important to remember that every baby is different and there's a wide range of what's considered normal. We generally see two types of rolling from tummy to back and rolling from back to tummy. Rolling from tummy to back usually starts between 3 and 6 months. Rolling from back to tummy usually happens a little later, between 5 and 7 months. But here's the key. There's a lot of variation. Some babies might even skip rolling altogether and go straight to crawling or other ways of moving. A baby's personality can also play a role. Some are more cautious, while others are more adventurous. Parents often share stories that highlight just how different each baby's development can be. The most important thing for parents and caregivers is to focus on the baby's overall development and progress, rather than getting too hung up on specific timelines. The stages of learning to roll. Learning to roll is a process with several stages. Babies start with some preparatory movements. These early movements include lifting their head during tummy time, pushing up on their arms, rocking from side to side, arching their back, lifting their chest, kicking their legs, and moving their arms like they're swimming. Rolling from tummy to back is often the first full roll that babies achieve. Sometimes it even happens by accident. Around 3 to 5 months, they might get strong enough to push up on their arms, and that shift in weight can cause them to roll over. This first roll can be a surprise result of those mini push-ups, usually around 4 months, but sometimes as early as 3 months. Rolling from back to tummy is usually a bit more challenging. It requires more strength in the neck and arm muscles compared to rolling from tummy to back. It also demands more coordination and usually comes after the baby has mastered rolling from tummy to back, generally within that 5 to 7 month window. To roll from back to belly, babies need to bring an arm and a leg across the midline of their body. This takes more core strength and coordination because they're working against gravity. This type of roll often involves using their abdominal muscles rather than just relying on arching their back. The way babies learn to roll shows a clear and logical sequence of development. First, they gain head control. Then, they build upper body strength through tummy time. These skills lead to those initial rocking and side-to-side movements. Finally, rolling from tummy to back often happens. helped along by gravity and their growing ability to shift their weight. Celebrate every milestone. Rolling over is a wonderful step in a baby's journey. Remember that every child develops at their own pace. Celebrate every little achievement and enjoy watching them explore their world. Thank you for watching. This video is for informational purposes only.